Today we'll talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your Bluesky app. So you just follow these ways that it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go here, you go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do, just click here on settings, click on it here. You come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this here. You go down here, then you click here on accessibility, just click on it. You come to next step here, you come here to display like alt text badges, click in this sign. Like you see this color show for us, that's main display like alt text badges this enable with us now. So that's all you have to do. I wish now you I get it, that's all. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.